Hi guys, it's Amar back with another video. I'm your one-stop guide to hair and fashion, so please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. So in this video today, we are going to look at one of the American Crew classics, and that is the hair fiber, to establish whether or not it's a product that you can use or should even use in 2025. Let's dive right in. Okay, so as you can see guys, we've got the product right here. Already from the offset, you can see it's got quite a smooth and creamy texture to it. It is a water-based product and we are going to test it on the hair. So I've already prepped my hair and it's just a case of distributing the product into the hair to see the final results. I am distributing the product into my hair. You'll see me start from the front and then making my way back. Okay guys, so that's the styling stage complete. You can see that my hair does have a natural look, so it doesn't have that glossy, greasy shine. But ultimately what I do want to do is run through the pros and cons to help you establish whether this is the best product for you. So in determining whether it's going into your basket or your casket, we will start with the pros. In terms of the consistency and application, with it being a water-based product, it is quite easy for me to distribute the product into my hair without having to tug on my hair. This does allow for good control and allows you to style it the way you want to style it. It also allows you to get some texture in your hair without weighing the hair down. Bearing in mind guys that I do have fine hair, so I don't like to use products that weigh my hair down. The product does also give you a texture and a natural shine, and this is perfect for avoiding the glossy, greasy look. Now with this being a water-based product, it is very easy to wash this product out of your hair, so you're not having to rinse and repeat. And finally, I'd say the affordability. It is a budget-based product. It's around maybe 10 to 12 pounds here in the UK, maybe anywhere between $15 to $20 in the United States. Now in terms of the cons, I would come back to the application, because whilst it is easy to distribute this product into your hair, you do have to make sure that you rub the product quite vigorously through your palms before you apply it, because if you don't, it won't allow you to evenly distribute that into your hair. I also noticed that the product promotes a strong hold. Now testing the product for myself guys, I wouldn't say that it has a strong hold. I would say it has a medium hold at best, and you'll be able to see this here once I've styled my hair and I'm moving my head around. You can see that it is starting to fall. So what I would say is, if you are going to be using this product, I would recommend it, especially if you're growing your hair. I would say it would perhaps be a good idea to use some hairspray. If you do have short to medium hair, preferably shorter hair, you may just get away with it. But if you have medium to long hair, I would definitely recommend you use a hairspray, because it will not stay up all day. In terms of innovation and ingredients, I would say that this product does have a hard time competing against more modern products that contain natural ingredients, thereby providing more of a flexible hold. You can therefore make the point that this product has a dated feel. Although still good, there are newer clays and pastes out there that work better in terms of performance and reworkability. Ultimately, American Crew products such as the fiber have been around since the 90s, and they really do stand the test of time, as many guys do use these as their go-to products. It delivers a reliable hold, promotes a natural finish, and is easy to wash out at a fair price. However, if you are chasing modern styling with a flexible approach and natural ingredients, I would say that there are better options out there for you. Have you tried the American Crew fiber? If so, drop a comment below. I would love to get your thoughts on the product. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair product reviews. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until next time, take care.